Writers and marketers juggle ad hoc tasks, long-form content, proofreading, and editing all at once. I tested over 40 AI writing tools and with insights from G2's verified reviews, narrowed it down to the 8 best AI writing generators for 2025. Before we dive into the list, here's how I picked them. I looked at long-form quality, speed to publish, tone and brand voice control, fact-checking and citations, collaboration, multimodal features, SEO optimization, and pricing. And wherever I couldn't personally test, I validated with professionals and cross-checked with G2 reviews. Now let's get into the tools. First, let's see Grammarly. Grammarly is your always-on editor for grammar, tone, and plagiarism checks. I love the real-time clarity suggestions, the strong tone detection, and how seamlessly it integrates into my workflow. G2 reviewers mention that sometimes the suggestions feel out of context, and reviewers also tells us that the advanced features like tone and plagiarism checks are locked behind the premium plan. Now, moving on to Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace with AI writing built in. It's notes, docs, databases, and project management all rolled together. I love its flexibility, the AI writing assistant that helps with drafting and summarizing, and the collaboration features. G2 users mentioned that large workspaces can lag, and while looking at the reviews, some noted that the offline mode isn't always reliable. Next up, Simplified. Simplified unifies copywriting, design, and even basic video editing, perfect for social media and creative publishing workflows. I love that it's an all-in-one platform for copy, graphics, and scheduling posts. It comes with a big template library and even an AI image generator. On top of that, it can draft an entire blog from scratch, generate outlines, optimize content for SEO, and rewrite sections in different tones. That makes it a true end-to-end content creation tool, whether you're posting a quick social update or publishing a long-form article. G2 reviewers mentioned that the free credits and limits can feel restrictive, and G2 review data tells us that advanced features often sit behind higher-tier plans. Let's move on to Writesonic. Writesonic is fast, intuitive, and great for SEO-friendly long-form content. I love how quickly it creates coherent articles, the range of templates, and the SEO and publishing integrations. G2 reviewers noted that you sometimes need to fact-check and tweak for accuracy. And credits run out quickly if you generate high-quality outputs. Next, let's talk about Jasper. Jasper is a powerful tool for marketers who need speed, brand voice customization, and strong templates. I love its large library of ready-to-go templates, how well it adapts to brand voice, and how quickly it produces drafts. G2 review data tells us that longer pieces may need extra human edits and pricing is higher than alternatives. Now, onto Constant Contact. Constant Contact focuses on email automation and deliverability. It's great for building emails with drag and drop, automating sequences, and checking analytics. I like the easy builder, the automation features, and the clear reporting. G2 reviewers mentioned that customization in the email editor can feel limited, and pricing is a bit steep for smaller businesses. Next, let's look at AnyWord. AnyWord is all about predictive scoring for content performance. I love its ability to generate multiple variations for A/B testing, the brand tone customization and performance prediction score. G2 review data tells us that the advanced performance features can feel pricey, and long-form outputs sometimes feel repetitive. Finally, let's check out Text Cortex. Text Cortex is intuitive, fast, and adapts well to different tones and writing styles. I love how quickly it drafts context-aware content, its ability to adapt tone, and the integrations with docs and APIs. G2 users mentioned that free tokens can feel limiting, and some noted that its reliance on constant connectivity can be inconvenient. So, bottom line, choose the tool that fits your workflow. Grammarly for clarity, Notion for team workspaces, Simplified for social content, Writesonic and Jasper for SEO-aware long-form, Constant Contact for email campaigns, AnyWord for conversion-focused copy, and Text Cortex for fast drafting and smooth integrations. The complete G2 write-up is available in the description below. Feel free to check it out for more insights. If this helped, drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more content marketing breakdowns.